Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can give the AI on Base44 custom instructions to help you build, create and edit your app project. So let us guide you through this. So start by navigating to Base44, then log into your account, select the workspace in the top left and navigate to your apps here on the left hand side. Then select the given app, clicking into it. And then guys, here on the left hand side next to the editor, you will see the conversation panel with the artificial intelligence. So here you may, for example, give it the commands like, I don't know, I gave the AI, for example, the command to create a task management app for me. And then you may provide, of course, more information and requests and details in that field. But you can also do the following, guys. You may navigate to that gear icon in the bottom left and select AI controls. And here you may provide, as you can see, additional instructions to the artificial intelligence that will be then considered generally whenever you provide a custom request here, right, in the conversation or chat with the AI. So, for example, I don't know, keep a humorous tone in the app descriptions, or be informative, and so on and so forth. So you can that way impact the AI's behavior and responses by providing that additional information, right? For example, keep darker themes, as you can see here based on that example, break it down into small files, and so on and so forth. Click into save changes so that these may be considered from now on in your requests and conversations here on the left hand side. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.